this is the Ingersoll. I'm not trying to do another entry. I'm just trying to do a regular picking video. And the thing about this lock is the easiest way to open it is just to get it right the first time. So I'm going to take the rake in, out, in, out, in, out. I'm trying to get all the pins to the left because that's the way that the one in the back needs to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Now I'm trying to get all the pins from 5 to 1 to turn right. That was just the 15 thousandths multi-pick short hook, 50 thousandths covert instruments, number 2 from the Reaper set. That was 2, 1. 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. Did I just overset it, or I don't know. When I say the easiest way to get this lock is to get it right the first time, I mean that. Because if you get these back pins into those fucking false gates, it's miserable to get them out of it. There we go. So I had number 5 in a false gate, and once I got those set, I had to get back there, get number 5 out, and then come back and set number 4 because I had dropped it. But that is my picking video on the Ingersoll. If it helps somebody, it helps somebody.